Look how cute that is. Right there. It is just adorable. You are so cute.
Yes.
You're so cute. Hi, everyone.
Hi.
We're going to do a plated. I know it's been a long time since you've seen a plated.
I'm trying really hard not to cook.
Today we are going to do a enchilada of some kind.
Chicken and pinto bean enchiladas with tomato poblano sauce and Monterey Jack.
Monterey Jack was probably one of the coolest rescue rangers ever. So that's what we're making. Let's see what our ingredients are.
Look at him smiling. He's so happy right now.
We have a helper.
Hi, Bobby. Hi. Chicken.
Chicken.
Is this part of this one?
I don't know. I just
Yes,
grabbed it.
the scallion. One scallion. It's part of this meal. Tortillas.
Not good tortillas, but tortillas.
One big old pepper.
Yeah. I think that's where the poblano and the poblano peppers come from.
I think so. Monterey Jack cheese. I'm such a smarty pants. Some tomato paste that has
Leaked.
leaked.
Yes, it is.
Mexican spice mix.
Okay.
What we call taco seasoning. Garlic.
There should be some garlic.
Pinto beans. And sour cream.
Was there barking?
No, I'm just sniffing because
Do you not like barking?
I want more food. I want more food.
You don't get enough camera time.
Could have something to do with the fact that I'm a hermit that hides in the closet. He's like, come on, where is it? Where's there more food?
What's our first step?
Preheat oven to 450 degrees. Line a baking sheet with foil.
Sounds like my job.
It does. And pat the chicken dry with a paper towel.
That
Place
sounds like
on
my
prepared
job.
baking sheet.
Those all sound like my job.
Yeah, all of step one is all you.
Guess I better get busy.
You think?
Yeah, we don't have any aluminum foil.
Whatever. So Chris is being a little destructive with pepper, I think. I think we have some over-peppered chicken.
Nice over olive oil.
Did ya?
Chicken.
He doesn't know how to follow instructions very well. So, there we go. So he patted the chicken dry, put it on foil.
And then greased it up again.
Adding a little salt and pepper. And then in the meantime, I was draining beans, which I'm going to scoop out a cup of pinto beans.
So Debbie's taking care of the scallions. Chopping up thin slices. Some of them will get added to a mix. The rest is supposed to be garnished, which we'll throw away.
We don't use the dark greens. We don't like them.
Debbie is chopping up the poblano pepper. I can't say that. And then I'm going to do the garlic. Ooh, that's quite a smell to it. Shame we don't have smell-o-vision. Here's our garlic thing. Put the garlic in here.
Okay.
Close the lid. We're minced. I'm going to take the assistant upstairs.
Okay.
There's no food for me.
I'm going upstairs.
So I put the chicken in the oven.
Yes. 10 to 12 minutes. Until no longer pink.
Put the chicken in the oven. Feel that heat?
Yes. It's called an oven.
There you go. 10 to 12 minutes.
Yep.
Let's split the difference. What's next?
Nothing until the chicken's done.
So time to drink a margarita. Debbie's making sauce.
Yeah, that. Debbie's feeling a little ragged. Heat 2 teaspoons of olive oil. 1. 2 teaspoons of olive oil in a medium high-sided pan over medium-high heat. This is our version of a high-sided pan. When oil is shimmering, we're going to add spice mix, garlic, poblano, whites, and light greens. Oh, good. So basically everything else. I feel like I should be singing, but nobody wants to hear that.
Go ahead. Sing a song.
No.
What's your go-to karaoke song?
Used to be Shania Twain when I was younger. Any Shania Twain was my go-to karaoke song.
Man, I Feel Like a Woman?
No. I don't remember which one's out.
I think I have a video somewhere of you singing.
You do. Disneyland. Disneyland. I would say, basically, if we go to an amusement park and there's music playing, I will sing over the soundtrack because I can't help myself. It's not anything anybody wants to hear, but it makes me happy. Okay, we need to take the chicken out while we're waiting for the oil to shimmer. About 1 more minute.
Back you go, chicken.
Because that's still some pink juice and we don't want pink chicken juice. So, poblanos. Scallions. Garlic. Garlic lid.
You drop it in there again?
I didn't. What do you mean again? You need to tell my secrets. And spice mix.
So since you have that spice packet, you're a spice girl?
Yeah, if only.
Ooh, that already smells good.
It does, doesn't it?
There's the chicken cooked.
The little peppers are in there jumping around. It's kind of fun to watch.
We got some Mexican jumping peppers.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Paste. And water. Woo. Bring to a boil.
You're there.
Simmer until thick. I like how it says increase to high and then bring to a boil. It boiled as soon as it hit the pan. Look at that sauce.
I'm gonna have to shred this chicken, aren't I?
Yeah. You know it. And then reduce to medium. To thicken 2 to 4 more minutes. And then we're gonna add sour cream, salt, and pepper. Pretty much thickened. Okay. Then what did I say? Remove from heat. And add sour cream, salt, and pepper. Remove from heat. Remove from heat. Does it look like it thickened?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's like...
It's almost gone.
I know, that's what I was afraid of. Was that we would lose it. Sour cream. Some salt and pepper.
Chicken shredded. Now let's add it to the beans. Right? I'm adding it to the beans?
Mm-hmm.
So if I'm not, it's too late now.
You are.
Mix it.
Sorry. Add, shredded chicken, beans, and then half a cup of the sauce. Stir to combine. Here's your half a cup of sauce. Stir to combine. I'm gonna scrape that off the edge. There we go. So don't waste any. tortillas on a clean, dry surface.
Okay.
Working one at a time. Add a half a cup of filling to the center of each tortilla. Roll into a cylinder, place seam side down, repeat to form 6 enchiladas.
Tortilla?
Mm-hmm. A half a cup of filling. That's a lot of filling. You're gonna need 6 enchiladas, so don't probably just a little more than that, because.
Like that?
Yeah, even that. I don't know how to make that rolled up.
Okay.
Let's just try this size, because it says to put the rest of the chicken around the extras anyway.
Okay.
On the outside, so that way we don't roll it up.
How am I folding this?
Just rolling it.
Okay. I don't fold. Do like the.
It just says roll into a cylinder. Seam side down. Nope, just rolling into a cylinder. Seam side down. Right there. It's gonna be fine. We're gonna chop it into bits and eat it anyway.
Okay.
It works. That is one full pan. Whoops, we forgot to rub the inside of the tin pan with olive oil. So they may stick a little.
Okay. There's enough olive oil on the chicken. Should be all right. Put this in here somewhere?
Yeah, scatter remaining filling around enchiladas, spoon over remaining sauce, and top with cheese. And
if you like, you should have put the cheese on it.
It says bubble until cheese is bubbling, 8 to 10 minutes. Use downtime to set the table. Oh yeah.
Looks bubbly.
There's some bubbling cheese. Woo!
Bubbly.
Dinner.
All right. Let's see if these are better than the enchiladas I make.
Never, baby. Never.
Yeah, you can lie to me a little bit.
Chris makes excellent enchiladas. And by the way, in case y'all missed it, I discovered after we put all the enchiladas in that we were supposed to put olive oil in the pan. So these bad boys are stuck to the foil.
Really?
Sure.
Oh, wow, that cheese did go up, didn't it?
Yep. Do you want all 3 of them in there?
Sure.
Okay. Let's see if I can get one more. Actually, they're coming off the pan pretty nicely. I confessed my cooking weaknesses for no reason.
Look at that. That looks pretty good.
They do look pretty tasty.
Let's dig into this.
Let's. We're gonna get forks.
You like? Mm-hmm. Describe the flavor. Is it hot? Is it spicy?
Not really.
Okay.
It's not really spicy. There's a little bit of pepper.
Tomatoey?
A little tomatoey.
Okay. None of which is words.
I don't know. But it's good. I mean, it's got a little, you can tell the taco seasoning because it's got a little kick, but not excessive.
Whose are better?
I'm not going to answer that question.
Yeah, not really that much kick. They're better than mine. So, yeah.
Well, we made the sauce. I think that's the difference. You usually use a canned sauce.
And I use refried beans. So,
yeah.
That's much better. And we don't have the poblano.
He can't say poblano.
Those peppers.
Poblano.
Very good plated. Hope you enjoyed it. Try these at home.
They're easy.
If this is your first video of us, subscribe, like.
Please. I just realized I'm chopping your head off. All of a sudden I was channeling my favorite aunt.
You only have...
Well, I have great aunts and stuff. But yes, I love her. Hi, Annelle. How's it doing?
Okay. So I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. And now for something completely different.